I sometimes joke and say the thing about being the chair of the board is it sort of coincided with a new day job that I love. And so I'm looking forward to being in Maine more and to being on Zoom less or traveling to meetings less. But really, I am blessed to do incredible work with really faithful people in a beautiful state. And so I'm looking forward to that.
I will enjoy the benefits of retirement. I will also continue to be the priest of a summer chapel, St. James the Fisherman in Wellfleet, Massachusetts. And I will continue to serve as a volunteer and board member in my local community.
I hope that I will still be able to be engaged in some way and getting some information. I'm not a clergy person, nor am I a clergy spouse, but to be supportive in any way possible.
I will certainly be able to devote more time to my day job, continuing as a lawyer in a big law firm, serving public pension funds on their investment programs. I will probably spend more time just taking some time off, as I will not be devoting about 4 weeks a year to CPG work. But I will miss the work.
My plans are to continue my work as rector of the Church of the Advent. I've had a background in investment advisory work. I'll continue to serve on the Diocese of Kentucky Investment Committee, but I'll continue as rector of the Church of the Advent, where I love my people and they love me.
I'm still on the Diocesan Foundation Board and play an important role in helping distribute the money to the needy churches in the Diocese of East Carolina. Plus, I plan to garden a bit.